Zen the Crypto Queen, and I just wanted to welcome you to the channel today. Please hit the subscribe button and that bell notification if you are digging the content. Today I'm going to get into it. Actually, I stopped on this page because I'm going to play this for you because I think it's kind of funny. But let's see where XRP is today. XRP is at almost 46 cents, and it has been going up to 52, 53, dropping back down. This is not financial advice. I simply share what I do, education, entertainment, whatever you want to call it. But hey, if you're into XRP, good time to buy, good time to trade. Just going to say that. This I have to play for you because I thought it was funny. I listened to the whole 3 minutes and 24 seconds. I assure you that up to minute 2:55, it was a lot of circlish speak. What would you call that? Talking in tongues? I don't know. But check it out.
2014-21, we just recently, I think last week, issued a notice that put a little clarity around legal tender to that 2014 notice. And so my team and I would say the entire IRS, working with Treasury, is trying to get guidance out that is helpful while we dissect, get it right, and issue the regulation.
So, something we've talked about, right?
Okay, I think that's hysterical because, yeah, the SEC has been fighting this lawsuit with XRP about being a security for 2 years now. And everybody wants clarity because, why? Because Uncle Sugar wants his cut. That's the bottom line. But you know what? Hey, that's life, right? Death and taxes. So, I don't care about either one. Bring it on, right? Okay, but I want to play just this part. Actually, I don't even need to play it. This is under Tenemos site. Central banks globally are progressing with their CBDC strategies. Commercial banks are expected to play key roles in these emerging systems as distributors of CBDC, handling customer KYC, wallet opening, and providing on-ramps for deposit accounts. Here's the part that's fun. These new networks are expected to become intrinsic parts of countries' financial systems, and commercial banks which will need to integrate to them and provide associated services to their customer base. Okay, I think I've been saying for about 6 months now that SWIFT is bringing their protocols up to date in the background. They are beta testing in the background, and sooner or later they will flip the switch and get to this part where all financial systems and commercial banks will need to integrate. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So listen, if you're interested in having a one-on-one session, I am available. You can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please make sure you put crypto in all uppercase letters so I don't miss your email. Sometimes I do, and I apologize to those that I have missed. I will be making videos based on some of the questions that I get from people there. So stand by, stay tuned, and know that if you have a bag of XRP in your pocket, you're doing the right thing. It's a matter of time. The SEC has got to wrap this probably by third quarter this year. I don't know when it's going to skyrocket, but I assure you it's going to be in common usage behind the scenes. Most people won't even know what the hell XRP is or that it's a bridge currency. It will simply happen behind the scenes, much the way that SWIFT happened behind the scenes, and some of you have never heard of SWIFT either. I used it when I lived out of country. Most people don't use it because most people don't move out of country, out of the USA, and still do business in the USA, paying mortgage or doing business or whatever, right? So, I had that unique experience, and I am telling you that that's what happens in the background. And when XRP goes full blown, most lay people will not even know what the hell it is or what a bridge currency is. It'll simply happen with banking transactions, other financial institutions, and there you'll have it. It will just, rise in value. And can I predict when it's going to be 589, that cryptic number that everyone likes to throw out there, or 10,000? No, I don't have a crystal ball, but I would say you're going to be sitting pretty by 2025. May even happen by the end of year 2023. 2024 probably will look pretty happening. I don't know. It could be from $25 to $25. I don't know. You know what? A lot depends on a lot of variables that are out there, but there's a lot happening behind the scenes that I think will lead to a very nice spike. And then, of course, you know, there'll be corrections in that, you know, so that you can jump in when it's a little bit lower. I mean, there's going to come a day when buying any XRP under $5 is going to be a bargain. Okay, that's all I am going to say about it. So you choose to do whatever you choose to do. And if you're a newbie, I totally understand. I mean, it's got this lawsuit going on. You don't want to be involved in that. You don't want to have to follow it in the news. Well, don't. Follow my channel, and I'll always keep you up to date with what the SEC is doing with this case. Right now, they're busy mulling it over, and, you know, we'll see what happens. I think there's going to be some clarity, like I said, by the end of third quarter, max. Mark my words. All right. Love you all. Stick with me. Stay tuned. I will catch you on the next video. And ciao for now.